What's up, everybody? This is the Fan Dude 21 back once again. Back with another ceiling fan video finally. What you see here is a 38-inch Fasco Charleston. The fan dates to around 1983. It is a second generation of the Charleston series that lasted from around 1983 all the way until 1986 when they were replaced with the third generation lineup. This fan here is actually pretty interesting. It's actually a relabeled fan. It's not actually a labeled Fasco. It's made by Fasco, but it's not actually a Fasco label. And this fan is actually labeled as the Extended Life Fan Company, which was based out of New Orleans, Louisiana. Now this fan actually came out of a habitat restore out of just around Gulf Shores, Alabama. I forget the actual name. I think Summerdale, Sunnydale, or whatever, Alabama, all the way down there by the Gulf Coast. And I was on vacation there, and just happened to go in there and pick this thing up when I was on vacation around 4 or 5 years ago now. So the fan's in pretty good shape. It's an all antique white finish, antique white blades on both sides. It had a posh brass fitter on it, so I don't have any kind of switch housing caps, so that's why you see the light on it. And nothing really much else to say about it. It's a 3-speed fan, electrically reversible. The Charleston was probably the basic model of the Fasco lineup of the time. So here's the light. And we'll go ahead and power the fan up. The fan runs pretty good. Very little bearing noise, if any. It's kind of hard to actually hear the fan due to my furnace running with the air conditioning running. Very nice aesthetic low speed here. We'll take it up to medium. Fascos have always had a very nice difference in their speeds of their 3-speed model fans here. Medium here, you definitely cranking a lot quicker, but not too fast. And there's high. It's got a bit of wobbling issues here, but otherwise a very nice fan. Probably very little bearing noise, but not that much. Looks like it does have a vibration, humming vibration to it, but that's probably likely just the mount that it's hanging from. When power it down, we'll stop it. Flip the reversing switch in the motor housing, and we'll go and power it back up on high in the updraft mode. That seems to definitely run a little slower. Back down to medium. And back down to low. Once again, a real nice aesthetic low here once again. And we'll power it off. I should have ran the fan with the light on it on updraft, but oh well, and it won't really make any much of a difference. So I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video on this 38-inch Fasco Charleston, which has been relabeled under the Extended Life Fan Company out of New Orleans, Louisiana. Like I said, the fan dates to 1983 in the antique white finish. So I guess we'll let us stop here and end the video off. So there you go. All right, we'll see you next time, everybody.